Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I'll start my topic 1.6, which is solution of simultaneous linear equations. So, system of two linear equations in two variables in general form is given as ax plus by is equals to m, cx plus dy is equals to n, where a, b, c, d are real numbers, m, n are real numbers, and x and y are variables. This system on the whole is called simultaneous linear equations. We will discuss two methods of solution of this system. The first one is matrix inversion method and the second one is Cramer's rule. Matrix inversion method. Consider the system of linear equations. We have two equations and we want to find the value of x and y. We will first write our equation in matrix form as ax plus by is equals to m. We write the matrix of real numbers into matrix of variables is equals to matrix of real numbers. As you can see, we write here a, b, c, d in a matrix into x, y, which is matrix of variables is equals to mn. If we multiply these two matrices, we get these two equations. So we name them as this matrix as A, this matrix as X, and this matrix as B. A is equals to this matrix, X is equals to variables xy, B is equals to mn. We can write this equation as X is equals to A inverse B. If we multiply A inverse from the left side, on both sides we get A inverse into A, X is equals to A inverse B. A into A inverse is equals to identity matrix. So we write X is equals to A inverse B. We want to find the matrix X, which is XY, matrix of variables. And we must know the determinant of matrix A. If this matrix is non-singular, only then we can find its inverse, otherwise we can't find its inverse. So we must check determinant of A, which is AD minus BC, which is not equals to 0. So we will find its inverse with this formula. X is equals to adjoint A over determinant of A into B. This is the formula of inverse where determinant of A is not equals to 0. By putting the value of adjoint A, determinant of A into B, we get this equation D minus B minus C A into B mn over determinant of A, which is equals to AD minus BC. After multiplying and simplifying the equation, we get the final answer of x and y, where x is equals to this value and y is equals to this value, because we know two matrices are equal and their corresponding entries are equal. X is equals to this, y is equals to this value. This is the first method, matrix inversion method, to solve two equations or system of equations. Cramer's rule. We have two equations and we write them in matrix form as we have write here. Ax is equals to B, where A is equals to A, B, C, D, X is equals to XY, B is equals to M, N. X is equals to A inverse B. This is same as in matrix inversion method, but after multiplying these two matrices, we write them as dm minus bn over determinant of A and minus cm plus an over determinant of A. X is equals to this value and y is equals to this value. We can write this as determinant of AX matrix AX is a matrix. Similarly, we can write it as determinant of AY, which is a matrix again, where AX is equals to MNBD. Always remember, if X is written here, we write MN in first column, and if AY, if we want to find AY, then we write MN in second column. AX is equals to MN and BD, AY is equals to AC MN. Examples. Example 1. Solve the following system by using matrix inversion method. These two equations are given to us and we change them first in matrix form. 4 minus 2 3 1 xy 8 minus 4. This is the system of equations in matrix form. Coefficient matrix, we name this matrix as M, and it must be non-singular matrix. If M is non-singular, then we can find the inverse of M, and also we check the determinant of M. If it is non-zero, then M inverse is possible. So xy is equals to M inverse into B. This is the formula of M inverse, adjoint M over determinant of M into B. After multiplying, we get the answer 0 minus 4. So x is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 4. We solve this system of linear equation by Cramer's rule. So first transfer it into matrix form. We have 3 minus 2 minus 2 3. This is the matrix A, and when we find AX, we write 1 2 in first position first column, and if we want to find AY, we write 1 2 in the second column, and we can write the other entries as we have in A. As you can see, AX is equals to 1 2 in first column, and we can write other entries same, minus 2 3. Similarly, in AY, we write the 1 2 in second column and the other entries same. So determinant of A is equals to 5, which is non-zero. So A is non-singular and we can find its inverse. X is equals to determinant of AX matrix, which we can find using this determinant formula, and we can find AY determinant as well. So AX determinant over A determinant. After solving this, we can get the answer of X and Y. Example 3. The length of rectangle is 6 cm less than 3 times its width. Let the width of rectangle is x, and 3 times its width mean 3x less than. We can write 3x width minus 6 is equals to length of rectangle. Let's suppose length of rectangle is y. So y is equals to 3x minus 6. The perimeter of the rectangle is 140 cm. We know the perimeter of rectangle. There are two sides and there are two vertical sides and two horizontal sides, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into x and 2 into y. After adding them, we get the perimeter of the whole rectangle. As you can see, the perimeter is equals to 2 into x, 2 into length into plus 2 into width is equals to 140, which is given in question. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. We want to find x and y value, length and width of the rectangle by using matrix inversion method. So if width of rectangle is x centimeter, then length of the rectangle is y is equals to 3x minus 6. As I have told you, 3 times its width less than 3 times its width from the condition of the question. The perimeter is equals to 2x plus 2y is equals to 140 according to given condition. So we have find these two equations. X plus y, we can take 2 common from here, and dividing this side by 2 we get 70. X plus y is equals to 70 and 3x minus y is equals to 6. We will write this in matrix form as this: 1 1 3 minus 1 xy is equals to 76, and we will find the determinant of this matrix first. If this is non-singular only, then we can find the inverse of this matrix. So determinant of this matrix is equals to minus 4, which is non-zero. So x is equals to A inverse B, and A inverse is equals to adjoint A over determinant of A. After putting the value of adjoint A and determinant of A and simplifying, we get the answer of x and y. X is the width of rectangle and y is the length of rectangle, and we want to verify the solution. We will put the length of width and length of rectangle in perimeter equation. If these two sides are equal, we say that we get x and y correct. We put the value of x and y in above equation and we get y is equals to 51 centimeter. So our calculations are true. So our first chapter is completed. We will start unit 2 inshallah in the next video. Thank you.